For centuries, chronic inflammation has been known as a silent killer, fueling everything from heart disease to cancer. But what if there's something inside of your body that was triggering inflammation without you even knowing? Both the virus and the thing that people took for the virus chooses spike proteins, which attach to cells and activate the immune system. But what happens when the inflammation doesn't go away? Could this be a setting stage for long-term health problems? Let's break it down and let's say what the science say. Spike proteins are the key mechanism used by SARS to enter the human cells. They bind to the ACE2 receptors found in lungs, hearts, blood vessels, and even the brain. This triggers inflammatory pathways, which if left unchecked can cause long-term damage. Chronic inflammation is linked to nearly every major disease. Heart disease, inflammation weakens blood vessels, increasing blood clotting. Autoimmune disorders, overacting immune response can attack healthy cells. Brain fog and neurological disorders, studies suggest spike proteins can linger in the brain and trigger neuroinflammatory inflammation. And the thing is, with increased inflammation, you increase the chance of developing cancer, because it's providing the perfect breeding ground for cancer cells to thrive. Protein increased cancer risk. Spike protein can remain in the body for extended periods, leading to ongoing inflammation. Cytokine storms seen in severe virus cases overload the immune system, making it harder to detect and kill cancer cells. Some research suggests that spike proteins may accelerate tumor progress in predisposed individuals. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are some possible solutions. You could reduce your inflammation and protect your health by autophagy, the body's natural repair system, by fasting between 16 and 48 hours, which helps clear damaged proteins and including spike proteins, and it also helps break down inflammatory waste and regenerate healthy cells. And you can also use supplements like N-acetylcysteine and bromelain together whilst you're fasting to increase the chance of detoxing the body from spike protein and increase. So this is not fearmongering, this is to assist you. I hope this video has been helpful. I will provide the sources here. I hope you have a wonderful time. Peace.